Looking for the best tire pressure monitor but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best tire pressure monitor based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. LETOURWM 6 Sensors Tire Pressure Monitoring System. This product blows the competition out of the water with its incredible 7 smart alerts, giving you instant warnings for pressure, leaks, temperature, sensor fault, and battery, making it a game-changer for anyone who wants to drive safer. And with its 100 feet/30 m long-range transmission, you can trust the information no matter where you are, whether you're driving a passenger car or a heavy-duty RV. Number 4. Marcala V2 4-Sensor Tire Pressure Monitoring System, set of 4 TPMS sensors. This tire pressure monitoring system is perfect for RV owners, campers, and anyone with a large vehicle, think vans, SUVs, and even towing setups. It's all about extended range, up to 32 feet, with real-time alerts while driving and monitoring of up to 98 psi. Plus, it's easy to read, day or night, with a bright and colorful LCD screen, and it's waterproof, so it can handle rain or shine. Number 3. Tymate TM12TM12 RV Tire Pressure Monitoring System. If you're a driver who's ever found yourself stuck on the side of the road due to a flat tire, you know how frustrating and time-consuming it can be. This TPMS system upgrades your display to support 12 tires across 4 zones, allowing you to check key tire pressure and temperature data at a glance, enhancing long-distance driving safety without distraction. With real-time monitoring, high-precision sensors, and 6 advanced alarm modes, you get comprehensive protection for your travels. It's ideal for daily driving or RV trips, with flexible recharging options, including USB-C charging and solar recharging, and intelligent auto-calibration for plug-and-play use. Number 2. Masoll M13 Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Imagine you're driving down the highway on a hot summer morning, the sun beating down on your RV as you're towing a trailer behind you. You're cruising along when the system alerts you that your tire pressure is off by 15%. That's when you know this intelligent TPMS system is working its magic, setting the reference pressure and alerting you to any deviations, keeping you safe and your tires in top condition. With its solar charging and auto wake-up/sleep features, this system is perfect for frequent travelers like you, ensuring continuous monitoring without draining your battery. And with its accurate pressure detection and high-definition display, you'll get clear readings even in direct sunlight, making it a must-have for anyone who's always on the road. Number 1. Tymate TM7 RV Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Are you tired of constantly checking your tire pressure and temperature while driving? This product has you covered with its accurate real-time monitoring, featuring 6 distinct alarm modes for high/low pressure, fast leakage, high temperature, low battery, and signal loss, making it a reliable tool for maintaining tire health, especially beneficial for DIY enthusiasts and those in the pre-owned vehicle market. It's also incredibly easy to set up, just plug it into your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket, no need for complex wiring or professional installation. Plus, the color LCD screen with adjustable backlight ensures you can read the data in any light condition, and the 2 USB outlets allow you to charge your devices on the go. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.